Hey everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing of the Blackstone Serve and Store Prep Cart. Let's get started. So you got your directions. Looks like some of the parts are already broken.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the latch is broken already.
Oh, that's not good.
And it can be bent back in.
What?
Just looking at it.
Oh.
So here's the handle and the paper towel holder that you have to install. Everything else is pretty much installed. It says you should do this with 2 people, and I can see why.
Do you want me to help?
Turn it up. Alright, so that's what it looks like before the handles are on. Weighs almost 65 pounds, so a little on the heavy side for something that's supposed to be portable. As you can see, oops, that latch is already broken off right out of the box. I'm going to try to bend it back in and fix it, but from what I've heard from people who bought this, that they've received it with the door damage and all sorts of stuff, so I'm not really sure how good of a product this is going to be, but we'll try it. So we're going to use our grill on there, and maybe when we use 2 grills on there, other people using it as a prepping table. I'm going to use this to cook on. I don't see why not. So, alright, so the first model that came out with this was for their adventure package, I believe it was called, and it had these like little totes that could clip on and little magnet stuff to hold your utensils, which was pretty cool. This one doesn't have that, and it actually costs more, but it is metal, so you can buy the magnet stuff aftermarket and put it on. So anyway, alright, I'm gonna sit there and try to put the handle on and see if I can get some of the dents out and fix this latch. Well, that's it for our unboxing and setup. I would highly not recommend this product. We received it damaged with broken parts. I called Blackstone, and all I got was an answering machine. left a message, still never heard back from them. They obviously aren't going to stand by their product. It is junk. Find a regular table or something else. Again, I do not recommend this product. Anyways, till next time, happy trails.